Hi everyone, welcome back. So we have done our task 2. So the next task that is task 3, how to hardening the security system of a WordPress website. So there are so many plugins, security plugins which can be used, but we're gonna specifically use all-in-one WordPress security and firewall. So let's log into the WordPress. So I already have logged into the WordPress. Again, I'm gonna install the that plugins. So go to the plugins and add new. So I'm just removing these notifications. So I'm gonna search it here. So this is the plugin. We will install it now. So all-in-one WordPress security and firewall. So it says that this what plugin is compatible with my current WordPress installation. So click it here. Again, it says install, then click activate. Okay, so you can go to the dashboard of WordPress security here. You can see that this is the strength meter of my WordPress website. So my current score is 0. So according to these plugins, so they have some recommendation to increase my score. So let's let's start one by one. So you can see in the dashboard there are so many things like system information. If you just click it here, you can get all the information about my system, like WordPress version, MySQL, PHP server, IP, and all the information. So again, you can see the locked IP address. There is no IP address here which has been locked. So permanent block list and all other things, logs and everything. So as you can see that they will measure your security length by after doing considering some certain things. So these are the things that they actually consider. So I'm gonna go one by one and let's see how to increase my score. As you can see that my score is straight to 0, and total score I can achieve that is 480. So start from here. So let's see settings. It's same. It says that some basic security settings, that disable security features and everything. So as you can see, there is no points here, but you can back up your database. You can back up your htaccess file and configurations file and everything. So let's start with user accounts. So these are the process that which will increase my security points. So as you can see that the admin is never recommended as an username. So but I use admin purposefully to show you guys that you see that they detected that I am using the admin. So that's why I am not achieving any points out of 15. So I'm just currently just leaving this field here. So I'm not. I will come back later and I'll edit my admin user. So because admin is the very first user in the WordPress database, so any hacker or any malicious user can actually guess that what could be the user and what could be the ID of the user. So the next step is that list of administrator accounts. It says that admin. Okay, admin here. So the next user login. Okay, so here I can achieve 20 points, but at this time I have only 0. So it says that enable login lockdown. Check this if you want to enable the login lockdown feature and apply the settings below. So I'm gonna check this out and allow unlock request. Also, I'm gonna check it out. And time length for lockout. So if any IP gets locked out, the time of the IP will be released, that is 60 minutes. You can increase or decrease the number of minutes, and display generic error message. You can always read the description here. So I'm gonna select all of them and notify by email. I'm gonna select it also, save it. Okay, you can see that I achieved 20 points out of 20. So if I go to the dashboard, you can see that the security of my website just increased a bit. So my points is 20 out of 480. Okay, let's go to the next one, user registration. So again, you can see I don't have any points here. So just check out this box and save it, and registration captcha. Check it out and save it. Registration honeypot. Check it and save it. Again, if you go to the dashboard, you see that I achieved 70 points. So my security strength is getting higher than before. So you can also see the breakdown that where I have achieved the points here. So let's go again to the database. So you see that WP, this is the default prefix of the database table. So I didn't change the prefix intentionally. So I'm just not gonna. You can just change the no prefix from here, but I'm not gonna do it right now. If I do it, it's gonna sign me out from the WordPress. So I'm just leaving it blank. But after doing all of the thing, I will do this, or you can just do it. So it says that WP directory and file permission scans result. So the root directory, as I said before that, I set the file permission for that is 777. That is not recommended. So I'm just setting it to 755. So I achieved 10 points from here. Again 10 from here. So this is the log for the error. So there is no point here. Blacklist manager. So I can achieve 15 from here. The firewall. Check it. I'm checking all of them. Additional rules. So I already have actually read this all settings before, so that's why I'm just choosing all of them. So if you need, if you just need to select what you actually need, you just have to select what you need actually. So again, if I go to the dashboard, so now it shows that I have achieved 250 points. So I can achieve 480. So again, go to the brute force, login captcha, login whitelisting. You can whitelist some specific IP, for example, your own IP address. So for the spam prevention, so you can also enable the captcha on comment and the scanner. So you can set the time interval. So let's put it to 1. Malware scan. They're recommending the other tools and software. Okay, so let's see how much points I achieved. So it's 360. So I can even achieve more by renaming the prefix of the database, by renaming the admin user. So you have to just strengthen according to your necessity, that how much security or what information actually, what rules or information you need to actually set up. It depends on your what you want actually. So this is the way you can strengthen or harden your security system of the WordPress website. So here is the breakdown that from which point, from which section I got the points and everything here. So you can also go through each of them and just enable whatever you want. As you can see that I still not renamed the admin username, so that's why it is red here. Okay, so that's everything for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.